Greetings to you all and welcome back to the lesson. Today we are continuing with the subject strategic management. We've been studying business strategies and models. We've covered the generic competitive strategies. Today we move to the interactive strategies. Now, in studying interactive strategies, we are going to consider the interactive price and quality strategies. Then there is the cooperative strategy and the game theory. But first of all, what do we mean by interactive strategies? Interactive, from the word interact, to interact. Interactive strategies refer to a competitive framework where a firm's strategic choices are made based on the anticipated actions and reactions of other market players. This is unlike the generic strategies which focus on internal positioning